The question says solve for s in this equation. Okay, so we have the square root of x plus the square root of x equals 2. So how do we do this solution? Okay, so we have the square root of x plus the square root of x equals to 2. Okay, so what do we need to do? Let us remove the outer square root. Okay, the nested square root, let's remove this. So how do we take care of that? We need to take the square of both sides. Okay, we square both sides. So by the time we do that, this will take care of this. So we have just x plus root x equals the square of 2 is 2 times 2, that is 4. So we can make root x the subject of the formula here by subtracting x from both sides. So we have root x equals 4 minus x. Okay, so to take care of this, let us repeat step 1. Let's square both sides of the equation to remove the square roots. So we square. Okay, we square. So by the time we square, this is out. So we have just x. Okay, so for 4 minus x squared, so by the time we open up this, we have 4 squared, which is 16. Okay, the product of this is 4x, we multiply it by 2. So we have something like this. Okay, minus plus, okay, the square of this. Okay, so when we take it from here, we have x equals 16 minus, so we multiply this 2 times 4x, we have it to be 8x. Okay, plus s squared. Okay, so we can put this in a standard form of a quadratic equation. So here we have s squared. Okay, so we have this as s squared. Okay, minus s squared. This one is plus 8x plus x. Okay, minus 16 equals to 0. Okay, so we have this as minus s squared plus 9x minus 16 equals 0. Okay, so let's take care of this minus. So divide f up to by minus 1. So here we have this as s squared minus 9x plus 16 equals 0. Okay, so let's use the quadratic formula to resolve this. So for a to be 1, for b to be minus 9, for c to be 16. So when we apply the quadratic formula, okay, so when we apply the quadratic formula, so we have minus, okay, for b is minus 9, okay, plus, so that is the value of x, okay, equals minus b, which is minus 9, plus or minus, okay, square root of for minus b, minus 9 squared minus 4, for a to be 1, okay, for c to be 16, okay, divide 2 times 1, which is 2, okay, so the value of x, so we have this to be 9, plus or minus, okay, so square root of, so for minus 9 squared is 81, okay, minus, so we multiply this with 4, okay, 4 times 6 is 24, so this is 64, okay, so divide 2, so here we have 9 plus or minus, so it's the square root of, okay, so when we subtract 64 from 81, okay, so we should have 11 minus 4 is 7, okay, this should be 17, so we have 17 divide 2. So for the value of x, okay, x equals 9 plus root 17 divide 2, or, okay, 9 minus root 17 divide 2. Thank you very much.